In today's video, we're going to discuss how to make a real estate investment deal work with rising interest rates. So hey friend, I'm Juan Pablo with 100% Finance, and today I'm going to give you the foundation to financial freedom, focusing on the three pillars, which are personal finance, funding, and real estate investing. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. Now I'm going to share with you three things to consider when you're looking to buy real estate deals with rising interest rates. The first thing is this: motivation. What do I mean by that? Understand that you want to work with motivated sellers first and foremost. Because a seller who has a property and they're motivated to sell, meaning not I would like to sell, I'm considering it, I want to test the market. No, I need to sell. Something's going on in my life. I'm facing a divorce. I got another job in California. I cannot afford 2 housing payments. I just got laid off. Something's happened with me that I need to sell. I'm a tired landlord. I need to get this property off my hands. So if you're working with a seller who's highly motivated to sell, question for you: does it matter what's going on in the market? No. Why? Because the seller in those circumstances, under the circumstances, will be willing to play ball. The seller will be willing to negotiate. So if the interest rates are high and the seller's motivation is also high, the possibility of you to get the terms and the purchase price that you want to make the deal work are high as well. So let's get into the second point. So the second part is this: perception. It's all about perception, right? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So what does that mean? As long as that seller who's highly motivated perceives you as a closer, as a person that's coming in to save the day, having your cape on, having your funding strategy, ready to close this deal, then guess what? That seller will be willing to bend over backwards to be able to make the deal work. So even if the interest rates are astronomical through the roof, if the seller is in a need to sell, highly motivated, and perceives you as a closer, then more than likely you'll get that deal closed. Now the third thing is this: creativity. So even if interest rates continue to rise, or the market seems unstable, or is up, down, flat, whatever the situation may be, it's time for you to start exercising this, your noggin, your creative juices to start to flow. Because as a real estate investor, you invest, period. Independent of market conditions, independent of what's going on in the outside world. Because internally, you are an investor, so you will continue to invest. So when the interest rates do go up, okay, well maybe I need to be a tad bit more creative with my offer. Maybe I should structure the financing this way, so that way I can still make the deal work and close, because that's my nature, baby. I'm an investor. So I'm going to invest rain, snow, sleet, or shine. So just to recap, we discussed 3 key factors: motivation, perception, and creativity. Now, if you're interested in learning how to creatively finance your real estate deals, so that way you can buy rental properties on a repeatable basis, then I have a free training for you. All you have to do, my friend, is just check the link below in the description to learn more. Now, while you're down there, make sure you comment, because we love to answer your comments. Why? Because we like to keep our ears to the streets. We want to know what's going on, what's in your head. And by you providing us with those comments, we're able to answer them for you, and just to be honest, it gives us additional content to create based upon your comments. So please comment below. It benefits us both. And while you're down there again, make sure you like and subscribe, so that way the algorithm can continue to provide you with additional videos to help you along your journey towards financial freedom. As always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.